Now, I'll guide you how to set up your fingerprint. First, open up your Smart Lock app again. This time, click on the fingerprint button. As you can note, there are no fingerprints registered. All you need to do is press the plus button. Provide a name. In this case, we'll name it Tan as well. So now it will inform you that you need to press the sensor several times, so you can follow the following prompts. So now it's saying that. So now I'll press my finger on the sensor.
Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Input successful.
So now the input has been successfully added, and I have registered my fingerprint. So now, if I want to access the door, I can use my fingerprint.
Unlocked.
And it's as